Have you ever finished building a wooden project, stepped back and thought, something is missing? Maybe the color looks flat, or the texture feels rough, or it just does not have that expensive polished look you were hoping for. Well, here is the secret. It is not your design and it is not your tools. It is all in the finishing. Welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets craftsmanship. In today's video we are revealing simple but powerful wood finishing tricks that instantly upgrade your projects and make them look store-bought, even if you are a beginner. These are easy, budget-friendly methods that can transform your plain wood pieces into stunning home decor in just a few simple steps. So, if you want to know how to make your woodworking look more professional, elegant, and ready for the spotlight, keep watching because by the end of this video, you will see your projects in a completely new light. Let's get started. 1. Always start with proper sanding. Sanding is where true craftsmanship begins. If your surface is rough, uneven, or scratched, no amount of stain or varnish will hide it. Start with medium grit sandpaper to smooth out imperfections, and gradually move to finer grits. The goal is to make your surface feel like glass before you even think about finishing. And remember, always sand along the grain, never across it. Those tiny cross scratches can ruin the final look once the finish goes on. 2. Clean the surface before applying anything. After sanding, do not skip cleaning. Dust particles may look tiny, but once they mix with your stain or finish, they create blotches and rough patches. Use a tack cloth or a damp rag to wipe away all residue. A clean surface is your blank canvas, and it is what ensures your finish goes on smooth and even. 3. Use a pre-stain conditioner for soft woods. This one trick instantly separates beginners from professionals. If you are working with soft woods like pine, fir, or spruce, always apply a pre-stain wood conditioner first. It prevents the stain from soaking in unevenly and eliminates dark blotches. The result? A clean, rich, and even tone, every single time. 4. Test before you apply. This might sound obvious, but many people skip it. Different woods absorb stains differently, even if they look the same. So, take a small scrap piece or test on the underside of your project before applying the finish to the entire surface. It is a small step that can save you from a big mistake. 5. Apply thin coats, not thick ones. A common mistake beginners make is slathering on too much product. Thick coats take longer to dry, form bubbles, and lead to uneven color. Instead, apply thin, even layers using a clean brush or cloth. Let each coat dry fully, then lightly sand before adding the next one. It takes more time, but your final result will be smooth, consistent, and professional. 6. Use fine steel wool between coats. After each coat of varnish, oil, or polyurethane dries, gently buff it using fine steel wool or extra fine sandpaper. This step removes small imperfections and dust nibs that naturally settle while drying. After buffing, wipe the surface clean and apply your next coat. The difference is stunning. You will feel that silky smooth texture that makes wood look like it came from a luxury store. 7. Choose the right finish for the look you want. Each finish tells a different story. If you want a glossy, rich look, go for polyurethane or lacquer. If you prefer a warm, natural sheen, oils like tung or Danish oil work beautifully. And for a soft, rustic charm, try wax or matte finishes. Matching the right finish to the right style gives your craft a professional identity. 8. Do not rush drying time. Patience is everything when it comes to finishing. Even if the surface feels dry to the touch, the layers underneath may still be soft. Rushing the process leads to fingerprints, dull patches, or peeling later. Let your work rest between coats. Overnight is best. Remember, good finishing is not just about the product you use, it is about the time you give it to shine. 9. Add a final protective layer. Once you are happy with your color and sheen, seal it in. A clear top coat, whether wax, polyurethane, or lacquer, locks in the finish, protects the surface from moisture, and enhances the depth of the grain. That final layer is like the invisible armor that makes your project last for years. Then, the final polish. When everything is dry, buff your project with a soft cloth or a polishing pad. This final touch adds a gentle glow and brings your craftsmanship to life. Run your hand over the surface. It should feel smooth, rich, and satisfying. Here is the best part. You do not need expensive tools or fancy equipment to get professional results. With just sandpaper, a few brushes, and a bit of patience, you can create finishes that rival store-bought furniture. And every time you apply these steps, your skills will grow, and your confidence will too. Wood finishing is part science, part art. Each project teaches you something new about how wood reacts, how color changes, and how small details make a big difference. The more you experiment, the better your results will become. So next time you build something, whether it is a small wall shelf, a coffee table, or a piece of wall decor, remember that the finish is what transforms it from a simple craft into a piece of art. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let the wood tell its story through your hands. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog, where simple ideas become stunning results. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy and inspiring woodworking tutorials. New videos are uploaded every 2 days, so there is always something fresh to create and learn. Until next time, keep crafting, keep experimenting, and keep turning simple wood into something extraordinary.